Okay, so today we're going to be looking at Fly Me to the Moon. This is from ABRSM Jazz Piano exam series, or in other words. And what I want to look at today is the solo. So if you look at the way it's presented in a book like this, you'll see it's got these little pitches there in the rectangle, the diagonal rectangle. So that's kind of that's a good starting guide to how you might improvise over this section. It's got a very simple bass line, 8-bar solo over the changes. We've got F, B half diminished, E7, and A minor. So this grade 3 level, they give you a very basic left-hand pattern, and you can improvise on the right. And as your skills build in improvising, you can extrapolate and build those out further. For the right hand, that box, basically an A minor pentatonic scale. What I recommend students doing when they're starting off improvising is just starting with one pitch. There's so many other. I identify, as in the West we get so obsessed by pitch and melody. You just kind of want to fill it up. And it can get a little bit busy, monotony, and you get caught up with just trying to do everything. Similar to like when you're painting a rainbow, when you could just be starting with blue and a little bit of red, and adding colours slowly in, so it's not so confetti, so random. So if we started off with something like A, you could play with elements of music like dynamics, rhythm, space and busyness. And let's just start off with this A here and see how interesting I can make it. Okay, and then might try it again so with two pitches. So let's try A and C out of this, and maybe mix up with the octaves too. And we have like a third pitch. And as you go around, you see I'm starting to play with texture as well, adding more than one note at the same time. And someone built it out. I got a little bit excited, added two pitches and too soon. So let's just slowly build the pitches to get a higher range as we go through the 8 bars. So A, C, and D. Slowly a bit busier, and adding a few more pitches as we go. Because I'm not really that inspired by that solo, but let's add in 4 now. So A, C, D, and E. And eventually add in that G and get that whole full 5 range. Again, let's build it out of it. Sort of by the end, get a little bit busier. Use more pitches towards the end of that solo. When you can start playing with in the realms of, the limitations of the pitches, you'll be able to I guess just get more creative about everything else you're doing, rather than always trying to get obsessed by making a good tune or a good melody, or being ultra chopped. So yeah, another thing we can do is we can play with things like articulations. Let's play with that a bit. Staccatos, legatos, often common articulations to play with. It's cool, yeah. Little slurs you can just give little fragmented shapes, little fragmented ideas to twist it up a bit. Nothing wrong with playing the range of the piano too. I like to do like cross hand stuff, for example. You go. Got to be careful with that though. It's something different I try because as you cross over, it inevitably it sets up a bass note, which sort of implies a harmony. So you can use it use it for fun, but you got to use it with care as well. You can also play with the way they presented in the book, and I'm not sure if you're actually getting that mirror image there. But these 5 pitches, often when people start off, they'll just start playing it as is. But you could invert this. You can do like instead of starting on the A, you can start on the C, or the D, or the E, or the G. Kind of like 5 different inversions of a chord, except this time we're playing with just a 5-note pentatonic scale. Just simply altering your hand position starting point will just give you some variance and variety, so you're not stuck on that. This way, your thumb gets caught up with going back to that tonic all the time. A little bit predictable, a little bit monotonous. So like we could change it here so it's on the C, for example. Thumb on the C. Different, or maybe we start on the D here. I might take the D up an octave, but D, E, G, A, B. A bit more 50, I've sort of kind of messed that up a little there. Or G for another variety. Got that nice kind of leading note up to the G. You can have a sort of a closer position too in this instance. And yeah, so look, there you have it. Some little ideas on improvising something like "Fly Me to the Moon." I'm just getting started, and of course you could go all out when you get comfortable with the harmony. You can follow the chords a lot more close. G starts at 7, C major 7, F major 7, B half diminished E 7, A minor 7, and using appropriate voicings, And that's valid too if you want to make it, make it more challenging, more elaborate, more richer. But at that point, I've got a lot of sort of tricks and patterns that I've subconsciously digest through lots of practice and doing it a lot. So I don't have to overthink that. Whereas if you're starting out with that, there's a lot of thinking of what note is that and what finger goes where. It can be a bit more mechanical. So yeah, look, there's some improvisation ideas on Fly Me to the Moon.